Sometimes the greatest car meets are the sunny morning cars and coffee meets, and that is exactly where we are today. This is the Regal Autosport Cars and Coffee event, and we're already creating chaos as cars are arriving and trying to make space. It is a good old-fashioned Mexican standoff now. The M2 versus Parcel Force. Who's gonna quiver? I think the M2's... No. Yeah, they're gonna have to, because there's fewer cars behind, although now more cars are arriving behind. Parcel Force is trying to reverse all the way down as the cars behind are doing the same, and the M2 is just causing absolute pandemonium.
What can you do?
What can you do? I should probably point out the R33 here and the camber that it is equipped with. Parcel Force has gone the long way round and is still affected by the traffic, and the max power Civic that's arriving. And whilst Argos has a hissy fit, a JZX90 has turned up as well. Well, that's a soundtrack to wake you up. It's RX-7 galore here today. They're everywhere. Wide body, purple example, rolling through next. I've brought the boring car because I didn't know what to expect. Casual bouncing in a bin. Didn't know if he was trying to escape from prison or something. No, he's just bouncing in a bin. It's an activity, a sport, if you will. Now, a lot of the cars here are perfect for the top 25 section at Adam Seafest, my own car show on the 5th of May. And if you want to be accepted into the top 25 zone, simply send me a picture of your car on Instagram, over on Facebook, wherever you want to be considered. And winners will be let know closer to the date. There's only a few weeks to get posted. The bikes have found alternative parking solutions. They're riding up there. That's definitely allowed. Oh, there we go. TVR Cerbera. That's a bit of me. That's my favourite, I reckon. Wow, I haven't seen this car for a while. S13, I believe, from memory, has a 2JZ. Listen to this. Ford Ranchero just parked on the side as we're trying to avoid the single file nature of the traffic, but we just can't. Every now and again traffic can clear a little bit, so you can hear the exhaust somewhat. I love how cars roll up and turn up throughout the entire morning. Check this out, and the spoiler on its rear. That is the second S13. The first one of the 2J has left, so we could hear him up the road over there. But I've just gone past the Church of Immaculate Conception to reach the exit to film a few of the departures of the show. Starting off with the Mazda RX-7. And sounds like, yep, RS3. It's parked outside someone's house that looks like an old castle without any doors and just a few windows, but not all. That's the most bizarre sight I've ever seen. It's not for sale. So I guess they get loads of inquiries about this rusty car just parked in their driveway. Can't work it out. It could be a Wolseley. There's no identification badges or numbers on it. It's as weird as the house that it lives by. So that's pretty much coming to a close. A lot of cars are just kind of leaving throughout here, there and everywhere, so I've missed a lot of that. So we're going to go to the Shepherd and Flock, which is our favourite pub for car spotting, and then on to another car meet tonight. It's the CitySmokersUK meet at Cobham Services, so I'll see you there. Well, here we are, a bit of traffic to get in, but that's the norm. Now this is a good sign, a very good sign. C5 Corvette next to the Recovery Discovery. Not quite as busy as the meet earlier, although look, evidence from previous antics. Someone's having a ball. Oh, I've missed, he's going inside. Oh no, he's bringing out his mates to party with us. What are we reckoning? Venga Boys on the boombox? Single turbo maybe? The people in the 500 are waving. It's Joyce and Miranda. 812 needs to be careful, there's an actual fire currently. He's avoided it, it's all peaceful. Well, what do you know, the second 8 series of the day. You wait for one bus and 2 come along. This one's a bit less slammed than the red one earlier. Oh, look at this little thing that's small. It's a Forbidden 13 Canza. It's a car of size that's less than others. Look. Well, that was disappointing. What about his mate? That's more like what I expected. You see, normality's been resumed. M2 something I adding to the 11s. And now it's time for the Citroen Carrier of cars. Although I don't think he got... Oh no, he's revving. Look at the smoke. Enthusiasts of the revolutions. He's enjoying. An audible scream moved away from the cars arriving because we've had a bit of content. This lorry here, the black one, has reversed into the Scirocco, and I think he's staying in the cab, he's not getting out, and there's been fights. I think he went in the front of a BMW and then reversed into the Scirocco. BMW's gone? Oh, right.
He hit the BMW, went back and hit the Scirocco.
You hit 2 cars, mate.
You're supposed to what?
Multiple times drunk. You think the police are going to back you?
And he's sitting there going, oh, it's not my fault.
Well, it's no one else's fault, is it?
Well, no. The handbrake don't work.
I just parked up.
Oh, right, okay. They've just smashed his mirror. Oh, it's a back light, was it? I wonder what note that is. It's a B. His horn is a B. Your horn's a B. It sounds like one of his tyres has somehow miraculously got a puncture. You can hear it. It's going down slowly, but it's definitely. Oh, the Scirocco's getting out of there. That is a proper dent on it as well, look at that. Pancakes have been flatter, but that's pretty flat. Oh, would you look at that? An electric Golf that's plugged in. These ones aren't yet, but I'm sure they will be. It's just shot a flame into the Tesla. It's not going to do it again though. No, that's done. What has happened to this poor Tiguan? They've taken the plates off and we'll try and get a torch out. Let's have a look. Oh dear, what a day. Pandemonium and etc. He's just had an accident and dumped it. It's left-hand drive, so that's RIP. He's had a bit of a whoopsie on the rear as well. The fender of all benders. Oh, stripes of the racing variants of an angle. I think this is recent filth because all the filth has fallen off. Oh well, it took its time, but look, finally a blue. I say finally like it's a good thing. It was a weird meet without any police, and now they're here just making sure we know the music's turned off and the Land Rovers are still leaking mud. Whoop whoop isn't currently the sound of the police because they've just got the lights on. We did think the police car are actually here for the van incident, so he's called the police. So they're not here for the car meet, they're here for the incident of the van. The tyre is flatter now. In the meantime, new arrivals, the 370 in kind of purpley violet lilac colour, and the Plymouth behind. Well, the time has come for the cars to leave. There's a second location that we might not go to. We can film the cars. Very automatic. Hello. I don't know what that was meant to achieve, but it somewhat didn't. Oh, there we go. Oh, there was a flame. You see, we didn't want it. We called it. Ah, the van who was involved in the predicament earlier is leaving with its hazards on because of the flat tyre. Is he driving you all the way home like that? One back light and only one tyre. You can hear it. Yeah, that is a bit of a sorry sight. He can't be joining the motorway like that, surely not. Or maybe he's been parked in here for 3 hours, so he has to get out, so he has to go services. Yeah, he's pulling over, that's fair. What's the M2 something I going to do? He has come to a stop. He's oh, it's not an M2 something I. Is it a diesel? He's squatted. There we go. Ah, yes, that's what we didn't want to hear. Thanks for that. Careful now, steady as she goes. RS3. And a GTR. Oh, good. The duster. Beware. Oh, my days. He's been in a shunt. Noises accelerated in their volume. That was unnecessary, wasn't it, sir? The F stands for fast. It's all happening now. Here we go. What's this? It's a car. Yeah! Raven in the Mark III. Whoa, 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 whoa! Whoa! Oh, yes. The pink Astra with a love heart exhaust. Staining there, but that was rapid. Oh, oh, whoa, whoa. boost. 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 No boost. Whoa! I thought he'd gone then. It's parking up. No, that was a weird angle to take. Quite a bit of torque under that. Fair enough. That's more like it. Hello! Guten Tag. Still sounds a bit... That's better. Deja vu. Oh, number plate. Drifter. Drifter, let's see if he lives up to... Yeah. Punchy shift. His headlights are the same colour as Wee Wee. We're going to see another. I think we're going to see another. This is happening. Oh, okay. Oh, bring neons back. You can see why we love them. Because, there they are again. There you have it, 2 meets in one day. The sun is coming out, summer's getting near, but it's still so cold tonight. But it'll be warm at Adam Seafest on the 5th of May. It's Bank Holiday Monday, 5th of May. They're saying hello. They should be there, and so should you. And to get your car into the top 25 section, just send me a picture of it. If you're getting a show car ticket anyway, you might as well give it a go, and you can be in the top 25 section of the show. I'll see you there, but for now, thanks for watching. There's the neons.